Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the last poem, What I Like. In this poem, a girl shares her feelings with us that she likes the birds very much, she likes the birds flying to the tree, and she requests the birds to please sing a song to her. And also she says that she likes the evening very much because the star shines in the sky, which she loves the most. And also she loves the big round moon which goes up over and over the houses. Then she likes the rain very much, especially when the sun shines, so that she can see the beautiful rainbow. And the rainbow is like a ribbon in the sky. Okay, that is the poem, children, which we have discussed in our last class. In today's session, children, let us discuss the bits of this poem. Enjoy the poem. In enjoy the poem, bit A, complete the sentences. Okay, complete the sentences. The first sentence is, the birdies go flying to the dash. The birdies go flying to the, where do they go? The birdies go flying to the tree. Write tree here on the blank. Second one, I asked the birdies to sing a dash to me. I asked the birdies to sing a song to me. Write song on the blank. Third one, the stars dash in the sky. What do the stars do? The star shines in the sky. Write shines on the blank, children. S-H-I-N-E-S, shines. Fourth one, there is a big round dash over the houses. So there is a big round, what is there? Moon over the houses. Write moon on the blank. And the last fifth one, the rainbow looks like a dash in the sky. How the rainbow looks? Like a ribbon in the sky. Write ribbon on the blank. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Okay. Now let us read the sentences, children. First one, the birdies go flying to the tree. Second one, I asked the birdies to sing a song to me. Third one, the star shines in the sky. Fourth, there is a big round moon over the houses. Last fifth one, the rainbow looks like a ribbon in the sky. Okay, children. Now next, bit B, read aloud with your teacher. Now here few words are given here in the cloud. Now let us read them aloud. First, the words that begins with S-M. All of you read along with me, children. S-M-A-L-L, small. S-M-A-R-T, smart. S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M-I-L-E, smile. Small, smart, smell, smile. Next, the words that begins with S-N. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-I-L, snail. S-N-A-P, snap. S-N-O-W, snow. Snake, snail, snap, snow. Next, the words that begin with S-P. S-P-A-C-E, space. S-P-A-D-E, spade. S-P-A-R-K, spark. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Space, spade, spark, spoon. Now the last, children, the words that begin with S-T. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-E-M, stem. stop, stop. stool, stool. Star, stem, stop, stool. Now let us read all the words, children. All of you read loudly. Small, smart, smell, smile, sneak, snail, snap, snow, space, spade, spark, spoon, star, stem, stop, stool. Okay, children, these are the words. Now fun time. In fun time, bit C, draw two things you see in the sky. Draw two things which we see in the sky here in the box. So this is homework for you. Draw two things which you see in the sky, like the sun, moon, stars. What you see, clouds. Draw here in the box. Okay, children, that is homework for you. Now with this, we have completed all the bits of the poem What I Like. Hope you all enjoyed it, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's homework, read the poem What I Like and also complete the sentences in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.